Good morning. I'm about to fix breakfast, and we're having leftover chile casserole and a burrito with an egg. That's what Deborah's gonna have, with some cheese. I might have a little bit of this, but mostly I want beans. Mash up the beans and have a bean burrito, homemade salsa, and with these cooked tortillas. I really like them there. So, all right, let's get cooking. All right, there's Deborah's letting the cheese melt. And I'm gonna get the tortillas heated up, well cooked.
Oh my God, this is so good.
What'd you say?
Nom, 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 nom. So good.
Oh, you put salsa on your beans. Good idea.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God. That's the best breakfast burrito I've had in a long time, sweetheart.
It's that chile relleno.
Mm.
Our leftover chile relleno casserole.
Mm.
There's the lake. Deborah went to water our plants and go get gas in the van. We kind of forgot to get gas for running around, so she went to do that, and I'm going to cook the dog's food. Now that breakfast is over, it's time to cook the puppies' food. Yeah, I'm going to cook for both of them. So I'm going to cook 6 pounds of ground turkey and rice, and then the veggies are frozen, so I just have to open those up. But cooking, this is 2 pounds, so I'll do 2 pounds, 2 pounds, 2 pounds. I keep thinking that might get a little bit of rain. It's kind of humid. But I put everything up other than the chairs in case it does try to rain. But I got my sewing kit out the other day to mend Finn's donut. It had come and sewn, and I don't even think I showed that video. Kind of behind on some clips and stuff. But anyway, well, I'll show that here. All right, this is Finn's little donut that he has been wearing, but it came unsewed. So now it's having a hard time staying on him because the collar goes through there. So he's able to take it off. So little repair. Haven't had this, 24 hours? So I'm going to see if I can't sew the strap back on here. And so we can still get some use out of this thing. Okay, I got it done. It's not the prettiest, but I think it's going to hold. And this one was coming off a little bit too. So, no, it's hard to see. But I went ahead and did a couple of stitches there. And we'll see how long it lasts. Me fixing Finn's donut. It only lasted a few days and then it ripped or came unsewed or what. Sewed or sewn? Anyway, my button's about to fall off of these shorts. So before it does, I thought I would go ahead and, since I have my sewing kit out, that I would go ahead and put this button back on tighter. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and just enjoy the lake. Oh, and eat some of these. I figured since my friends are coming from Texas, I would get everything Hatch green chilies. I did bring my green chilies to put on my cheeseburgers, so we can actually have green chili cheeseburgers if we want. But these are Hatch chili tortilla chips. I just got them at Walmart. Let's try them. Here comes Sammy. She says, if it crinkles, it's gotta be mine. I'm gonna sneeze. Those are good. I'd buy them again. All right, let's get sewing. I am gonna make some dip. I've got several of those dehydrated dips that I bought years ago. Well, I bought them years ago, and I've kind of bought them here and there when I see them. And you just usually add mayonnaise and sour cream. So I'm going to go through all the dips because I want a dip to go with this. Plus, I brought potato chips. Just brought a bunch of like camping, snacking foods and stuff. So, but anyway, I want a dip. Okie doke. Now I'm going to turn off the camera because I don't really know how to sew and how to tie off a knot. I think this is what I remember. So we'll see. We'll go stop right there. Okay. It's on there a whole lot better now. Yay. Okay. And these I'd already washed, so I need to fold them up, put it in the closet, put my sewing kit up. Hold on down there. Okay. Yeah, that's the 26, isn't it? I love it. All right, my friend Deborah and Elaine is here, and she said, let's go put the kayaks in. So we are putting the kayaks in. She wants to kayak right now. So that's what we're doing.
Those are easier to use. I don't even know if I got this on.
Deb and Jana are going to go first.
Yeah.
Man, I need one like that.
Yeah, either those orange ones, they're universal. But I think this one makes sense. But I don't have to wear one. Except that. You want to go jump in the lake?
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
We're gonna race in a minute.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was
You're gonna race?
hot like me?
On your mark. Get set. Go!
I think you're cheating.
You think?
I think you're cheating.
Yeah, bro.
There's Deborah and Deborah.
I need a bucket. Bucket.
All right, good job, girls.
Look at me.
There's Mama Jana. Do you see Mama Jana?
birthday to you.
Oh,
Yeah.
a birthday present early.
Birthday to you.
Yeah, because I don't know if I'll see you in October.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's see what this is.
It's a fun toy.
It's a fun toy.
You know it's fun because Deborah said she has one too.
Panda drum. Very cool.
What is it?
A drum. Did you see the drum on my wall?
No, this is a different kind of drum. I mean, it is a drum, but
Oh, it's a different kind of drum?
yeah, it sounds like look, you'll hear it.
You'll have to play it for me.
I know how to play Happy Birthday, but I gotta remember. Oh, it's got a case to it.
How cool. You shouldn't have.
Yeah, I got me.
Oh, this, I know what this is.
Yeah. You have one?
No,
Oh, good.
but I watch a guy on YouTube that plays one.
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
It's amazing that you know what it is.
I didn't know the name of it though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Oh my gosh, that is so wonderful.
See how that thing sounds. Is it electronic?
No, it's just
It's
pretty.
just,
Where's the sticks? There they are.
they,
Oh my goodness.
how pretty.
And it looks real pretty sitting.
Yes, it does.
That is absolutely gorgeous.
Isn't that
sounding.
pretty? That is awesome.
That's an amazing birthday gift.
It
I
looks,
know.
well, I know she likes toys. I do
Yeah.
too. I'm a toy person.
It's like toys.
And this,
That one, it's got a strap.
Oh,
I guess you
you can
can.
march in a band. And
Yeah.
hey, this has a few little songs in it, but there's other ways you can look things up. This has
Oh, cool.
anyway you can
Scan the QR
Yeah.
codes and play different songs.
yeah.
How cool is that?
But I just sit there and hit it
Yeah.
because it just sounds pretty.
It's so pretty.
See, I learned this one.
A sticker?
Somewhere over the rainbow.
That's cool.
Up high. Oh. Dun, dun, dun. She said, I can't see the number.
That's so beautiful.
That is beautiful. Yay!
Okay, did you get that from a QR code?
That was
No.
just in the book.
Just in this book, I just played the numbers.
Deborah,
It's
that
just-
was lovely.
Thank you.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah,
I
Happy
love it.
birthday, early
I
Frugal.
know, I love it.